Okay, welcome to part 2. I'm not gonna show my phone.
You read all the
It just made me exit.
restaurants there.
So let's read all of the restaurants. So first let's read this one. It's called
Taco Bell.
Mommy, you're moving it. Okay, I cannot see the last one. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? Mommy, where did you eat? Oh, Taco Bell. Where's what the Sigma? Taco Bell. Mom, you're gonna make me throw up of your language.
500.
Okay, so there's Dairy Queen, there's Ticho and there's Mai Tai, there's Po. Okay, so
Burger King.
it's Twerker King. Oh yeah, Burger King is over there if you can see that.
Yung sobrado na.
Okay, no reason. I'm gonna meet my friends. Where's my papa? Where's my papa? Where's my mama? Hey, Joshua. Ring, 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 ring.
You're just still taking a video?
Yeah, I am. There is still some more brand. Oh, but we're next to Burger King now. What is Olivia and Oona? Okay. Ooh, that big booty cheek.
Fiore.
Mommy, what?
Sonia Domani.
Mommy,
Menti Felici.
mommy, you're making me throw
Mio
up.
San Valentino. I'm reading the Buongiorno.
Where did you eat? Where is it, mommy?
Where? Buongiorno. La mia famiglia.
What the Sigma?
Segna domani. Bellissima.
You're making me throw up.
Meravigliosa. Ora di pranzo.
You're making me throw up.
Italiani. Quale la storia? È bello.
Okay, so there's another gap. Hey, Joshua. Okay, so it's I cannot read it because of. Oh, it's kind of cool. It's a cool restaurant that can't work. Where's my papa? Hey, Joshua. Hi.
Daddy.
I thought they were in the boat.
We're back.
Hey, Joshua. Okay, maybe, where's my father? Hello, that's my brother, Luki. His name is Luki, and he likes to twerk. Aesthetic. Look at the ocean. Oh, it's actually not the ocean, but I wish there was fish. I cannot, you know what? Jorge Trita. Oh, oh my god, I can see Lola Bibay. Just kidding. Who's Lola Bibay though?
Jollibee.
Where's? Oh yeah, it's over here.
Very best.
Mommy, by the way, is that Spanish? Are you speaking Spanish? Or are you reading Spanish? Oh, I think this is Mommy, I think this is the building from
Asan na sila?
Mom, I think this is the building from inside the mall. Oh, Starbucks! I see the name Starbucks. If you
Yeah.
see that painting, it's called Starbucks.
Oh,
Look.
where are you going?
Oh.
Ay, ang Kuya Third, oh.
Shit. Where's Kuya Third? Kuya Third, hi!
Ha?
Hello, Big Booty Chick.
Masaya? Ayaw mo sumama kanina. Sabi mo ayaw mo.
Oh, now I can see Starbucks.
Ha?
Starbucks coffee.
Ha? Umalit isip ko. Sayang.
What does that mean, Mommy? Mommy, what does that mean? What does he mean?
He thinks this is fun also. It's going to rain. Oh my God.
It's okay. Because I cannot be sick from rain. Because I am America. Joke lang.
Anong argument?
I'm getting this, but it's still okay. Ooh, the bridge. Okay, I'm gonna cover my head with your bag. Just kidding. Tong yang. What is the meaning of tong yang? Tong pak tong ki tong.
Nasa ang dati yung lingin ang ubos na ganito sa imo. Oh.
Huh?
Where are you going?
Oh, there's another clown. Guys, we just saw a pink clown before.
Yes,
and-
transferred, I think.
Hello. I see you. Bye, guys.
Tired na.
Bye.